Hello everyone, my name is Samir Joshi. I'm a financial planner and I'm here to add value to your financial well-being. So do we all know what is financial planning? So financial planning is a process to get right kind of money at the right time. So financial planning is a very simple process. It is not a rocket science. Trust me. We follow 3 golden rules for financial planning, and in last 10 years, the kind of clients that we are managing, we have achieved all the financial requirements for our clients by following just 3 golden rules. Isn't that great? And we are going to talk about these 3 golden rules for you today. So let me tell you, if you do not know where you need to head, if you don't know your destination, will you be able to go there? Will you be able to reach there? And that is where the goal number 1 comes. So the first and the most important goal in our financial planning is setting goals. We call it goal setting. Well, goal setting is very important for us. Do we have any goals in our life? So when we start working, the first goal that we have is buying a property, buying our own house, getting married, kids' education, retirement planning, etc. There are many goals, and apart from that, we also have goals like buying jewelry, getting a fancy car. But have you ever imagined that we want to get, or rather, I want to get retired early at the age of 50 or 54? Or 45 rather. There are many youngsters who are thinking to get retired early. We can plan that for you. But for that, you will need to have proper goals set for your finances. And if you have not done your goal setting, please do it today. And after setting goals, the second golden rule is preparing for uncertainties. So the world has become very uncertain place and we don't know what's going to come next. Imagine we are going for a road trip and the car breaks down. Similarly, we can imagine meeting with an accident, falling sick with a major illness, getting retired early, or losing a job. Can we imagine this? Are we prepared for these uncertainties? During this COVID-19 pandemic, we've lost lots of lives. A lot of people got admitted to hospitals. And trust me, many of them did not have adequate insurance cover, neither health insurance nor life insurance. Imagine what is happening with their families. Think about their kids' education, their livelihood. The main earning member of the family is no more. And that is the reason why this is one of the most important golden rule of our financial planning that we do for all our clients is we plan for uncertainties. Because when we talk about our best days, the best is always best, but we always need to plan for the worst. So if you have not planned for uncertainties, please do it today. And the third and the most important golden rule of financial planning is save first and then spend. So do not save what is left after spending, rather spend what is left after saving. We have seen majority of the people when they receive their salaries, they spend almost complete salary within a week's time and then they try to save. But let's go reverse. If we receive our salary and if we decide that I'm going to put X amount aside and then plan my month, I think that will allow you to save, to invest that amount strategically into various goals. Isn't that amazing? Initially, it will be a little difficult, but as the time progresses, we'll get the habit of doing that. And think about getting promoted, increments. We should never consider that as an extra salary, at least for first 1 year or 2 year, and add into our existing investments or rather saving. And what is the standard and what is a good ratio for saving? 30 to 40% of our monthly income should be saved first and then plan our monthly budget. If we do that, we can achieve many financial goals of our life. And that is the reason why if you have not started saving first, Please do it today. So if you like this video, then please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video to many of your friends and family members. And if you want us to help you improve your financial well-being, then please fill the form below and our team will get in touch with you. So this is Samir Joshi signing off. Thank you very much.